Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if I put number 0 colon here, here, we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over 1 plus s squared. This one we have 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. This one we have number 1. Next, we multiply by 1 minus s squared on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So I want to cancel about the square root. That's why we have b to the power of 2. This one that is about a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one in here, we have 1 minus s squared. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we have 1 minus s squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. So this one we just have only s squared. So if we put number 0 colon here, we have positive number 1. And if we put number 0 in here, you got 0. So we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So we know that on the right, everything in here, you got positive because we have the square root, we have the power 2, we have the square root. So this one we have the power 2. So this one we have positive. So in this one we have positive infinity. About on the left, they have the same positive infinity because this one you got positive, this one you got positive. Number 0 with positive, we have positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.